everyone who works out has this ingredient as a valuable partner. But do you know the real benefits of sweet potatoes? Sweet potato is a tuber that offers energy to the body thanks to its high contents of carbs. It is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which gives many benefits to your health. Sweet potato is also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, which help protect cells against the effects of free radicals and is a healthier alternative for the regular potato. Sweet potatoes are usually white, but you can also find them in other varieties like orange, brown, or purple. Do you want to know what the benefits of sweet potatoes are? Helps with weight loss. A favorite among fit people, sweet potato favors weight loss since its fiber gives us a sensation of satiety. Improves skin and hair. Thanks to its vitamin E, sweet potato acts to prevent free radicals in our body, guaranteeing a firmer, younger, and more hydrated skin. Also, because it has beta-carotene and vitamin A, this tuber strengthens hair growth. Great for pregnant women. Sweet potato is indicated as part of a balanced diet during pregnancy, since it is rich in vitamins A, C, D, B12, and B16, which are essential to cell development, bone formation, and tissue repairing. It also has calcium, which aids in the formation of nerves, heart, and muscles. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Controls blood sugar levels. According to studies, the high content of fiber in sweet potato helps balance the digestion and thus regulates blood sugar levels. Controls cholesterol. Still talking about fiber, especially pectin. They help control cholesterol levels, reducing the risks of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks, strokes, and others. Contributes to the good functioning of the digestive system. Sweet potato contributes to a better performance of the digestive system since it is rich in fiber. It helps prevent issues like constipation. Boosts immunity. Eating sweet potatoes can help your body stay away from the flu and colds, since it is a source of antioxidants that can protect the immune system. Controls stress. Besides all these benefits, sweet potato also helps with wellness thanks to magnesium. This mineral is known as anti-stress and acts on the nerves, muscles, and arteries. Isn't it incredible? As we saw, sweet potatoes have a lot of benefits to our health, beauty, and well-being. You can eat sweet potatoes with or without the peel, and you can bake, grill, or boil it. If you are diabetic, eat small portions of sweet potato, preferably boiled, as it reduces its glycemic index. Now that you know how good sweet potatoes are for you, try adding them to your diet to improve even more your health and your workout performance. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.